Hello, welcome back to Cesim simulation, step-by-step guide for round 1. In the NBA simulation game, free winning guide and tips. You can check the other video for the top 10 winning tips. The overview on the tips for round. This step-by-step guide for round 1. Step-by-step guide for round 1 for Cesim 2024-2025. So we start here with the start every round to check the unit result from last round. So it's very important. We know that. So you see on the screen the unit result in the three market: USA market, and Asia market, and Europe. This is very important. You need to take note of this number so that you can calculate the sales forecast for the current round. It's very important. And also you can look at the number of factories and use it. Remember this example I show you the strategy, how to set decision for the Cesim. Do not copy the number. Because the number may be different from student to student, right? And the second tip is to check the financial statement, R&D, promotion, sales, and profit, as I show you now. So you click on the financial statement. You see that the sales here, total sales here, right, of the company, and also you see the R&D cost and also the promotion. Depends on your strategy. You can focus on investment strongly in the early rounds or delay that like the others, right? Or check the profit here, right? So this is a long-term strategy game with around 6 to 10 rounds. So you can invest early and get the better results later, right? So you see the first is to check the unit result from last round and check the financial statement, R&D, promotion, sale, and profit. If you need to have any question, you can send the email to cesimhealth2020@gmail.com or get the personal support for round 1 and round 2 for free. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.